Look, fixing your loan involves a lot more than just the interest rate, right? You've got to consider if you might be selling the property, what your future movements are, where you've got money, what impacts locking your rate could have that are kind of counterintuitive to fixing. But when you see those attractive interest rates, it's kind of, it's very tempting. You mentioned earlier that the rates are 1 to 2, perhaps rate cuts underneath where the variable rate is, or even a little bit more. And with predictions from economists of maybe only 1 to 2 more rate cuts in this cycle. Look, it's a brave person who thinks that they know what the RBA is actually going to do, but they're very tempting at the moment. So considered in the overall broader scheme, we are doing that exact math. We're kind of going, how many rate cuts are we expecting during that rate period? And will you exceed that if you were variable versus the fixed? And do the math, and sometimes it makes sense.